You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Okay, let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a name of a disease, a condition, and that's possibly one of the most confusing words on the pronunciation side, at least in the English language. It comes from Greek, probably why it's so confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. So two different ways of pronouncing it: either phthisis, so the first I is an I sound, the second is an E sound, okay? And then you only pronounce the TH, so just simply ignore the PH at the beginning. So it's not phthisis, there's no F sound. Phthisis. Now, there's also another correct pronunciation in English, which is phthisis, so just with a T sound, so you also ignore the H. So phthisis or phthisis with a th sound with your tongue between your teeth. You can choose, but always ignore the PH at the beginning, it's silent. Phthisis or phthisis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.